Leonardo da Vinci, a man of art and science, unknowingly laid the foundation for modern engineering. Born in the charming town of Vinci, Italy, in the mid-15th century, Leonardo was a child of curiosity and wonder. His father, a notary and a man of some means, inadvertently sowed the seeds of Leonardo's interest in engineering. Leonardo's early years were filled with a profound fascination for the mechanics of nature and the world around him. Whether it was the flight of a bird or the flow of water, Leonardo sought to understand, to dissect, and to recreate. This innate curiosity led him to sketch a myriad of devices and mechanisms, some of which were centuries ahead of their time. Consider his sketches of war machines, armored tanks, giant crossbows, even a design for a robot. Then there were his flying machines, inspired by the wings of bats and birds, with intricate mechanisms that mirrored the anatomy of these creatures. These early designs, albeit crude by today's standards, reflected a mind that was perpetually innovating, consistently challenging the status quo. Beyond the battlefield and the skies, Leonardo's sketches also delved into the realm of everyday mechanics. His designs of gears, pulleys, and screws are testament to his understanding of the fundamental principles of engineering. He saw potential in the mundane, transforming simple devices into complex machines that were both practical and ingenious. Leonardo da Vinci was not just an artist or a scientist, but a visionary. His relentless pursuit of knowledge, his insatiable curiosity, and his innovative thinking were the bedrock of his genius. These qualities, which are essential to any engineer, were embodied by Leonardo centuries before the concept of engineering as we know it today was established. In his formative years, Leonardo da Vinci's curiosity about the world around him sparked innovations that would later shape the field of engineering. Leonardo's sketches were not just artistic flights of fancy. They were blueprints for groundbreaking inventions. This is a statement that rings true when we delve into the ingenious creations that sprouted from the mind of Leonardo da Vinci. First on the list is Leonardo's design for a helicopter. Yes, you heard it right, a helicopter. More than 5 centuries ago, he conceptualized the aerial screw, a contraption that relied on the principles of a screw's rotation to achieve lift. While the materials of his era couldn't bring this idea to fruition, the concept itself was pioneering, laying the groundwork for what we now know as the modern helicopter. Next, we have Leonardo's innovative design for a parachute. Unlike the conical parachutes of today, Leonardo's design was pyramidal in shape, made from linen and reinforced with wooden poles. His understanding of air resistance and the concept of drag, which were well ahead of his time, led him to design a device that could safely slow a person's descent from a great height. And then there's the armored tank, a war machine that Leonardo envisioned would change the face of warfare. Resembling a turtle shell, the design featured a rotating turret and multiple cannons, powered by men inside turning cranks. While the practicality of this invention was questionable, the concept was revolutionary, predating the first fully functional tanks by almost 400 years. Leonardo's understanding of physics and materials was instrumental in conceptualizing these designs. His observations and studies of the natural world allowed him to create designs that were far superior to anything of his time. His inventive mind and relentless curiosity laid the groundwork for countless technological advancements. Modern engineering owes much to Leonardo's innovative designs. From the principles of flight to the mechanics of warfare, his ideas have been instrumental in shaping our world. His genius lies not only in his art, but also in the technological marvels he envisioned. Leonardo's inventions, though never physically realized during his lifetime, were testament to his extraordinary vision and understanding of the principles of engineering. Leonardo da Vinci's impact on engineering extends far beyond his lifetime, influencing the field to this day. His engineering sketches, once thought to be flights of fancy, have been resurrected by modern engineers who've used them to create real-world versions of his designs. Take, for instance, his designs for a helicopter-like air screw. It was a concept centuries ahead of its time, but now it's not hard to see the resemblance to the modern-day helicopter. Similarly, his designs for a self-propelled cart have been hailed as the forerunner to the modern automobile. But Leonardo's influence isn't confined to specific inventions. His holistic approach to engineering, where art, science, and technology intertwined in harmony, is still revered today. He saw no boundary between these disciplines, and this seamless integration is something many engineers strive for in their work. Leonardo's ideas have lit the path of innovation in various fields. In aerospace engineering, his designs for flying machines have inspired the development of technologies that have taken us to the skies and beyond. In mechanical engineering, his concepts of gears, pulleys, and hydraulics have been instrumental in designing machinery that drives our industries. And in civil engineering, his understanding of the principles of structures and materials has left a lasting impact. His notebooks, filled with sketches and ideas, are still studied by engineers and scientists, providing a treasure trove of inspiration. They serve as a testament to his unending curiosity and his relentless pursuit of understanding the world around him. In conclusion, Leonardo da Vinci, an artist, scientist, and engineer, left an indelible mark on the field of engineering, inspiring generations of innovators to push the boundaries of what is possible. His legacy is not only in the inventions he left behind, but also in the mindset he embodied, a mindset of curiosity, creativity, and relentless pursuit of knowledge. If you've enjoyed this journey into the engineering genius of Leonardo da Vinci and want to learn more, please consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time.